Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to list all the files in a directory. So before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button now. Thank you for doing that and supporting this channel. Okay, let's get on with it. Let's import OS. And now we're going to create a function called list all files. Okay, so we're going to use os.listdir, change directory, and we're going to change directory to the path above that I've not written. Okay, I should have put the path in. Okay, so the path is going to be equal to C:, I'm on Windows by the way, as you can see, users mark desktop. Okay, so I'm going to list all the files on the desktop. Now when you're doing this, make sure you get the right path here, because this will not work on your computer, so yours will be different, so make sure you find the right path. Okay, now we're going to say listdir. That's the little variable we're going to make, is equal to os.listdir path. Okay, and now we're going to loop through everything. So for F in list directory, print. So we're going to print out the files here, and we're going to format the string with the F there. So we got file is F. Okay. Right, now all we have to do is call the program, and it's called list all files, and that's the program for you. That's how we call it. Let's just save this and let's just run it. Okay, so it's listed all the files and everything on my desktop. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you've enjoyed that. Remember, give it a like and drop me a comment. Just say hello if you've got nothing better to say. Just hello, how are you? And you know, I'll reply to you. But I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.